Hi friends, welcome back to the big joy of learning with Bijoyji.
Today's session, we will see what is an array formula. Array formula is a powerful way of applying formulas and functions to more than one column or row by modifying a single cell. Array formula is used to display values returned in multiple rows or columns and use non-array functions with arrays. Yes, you read it right. Array formula is written in one cell and the result is returned into multiple cells. We will see how this works with some examples. Before we go further, let me explain to you what is an array. An array is like the ice tray used in the refrigerator that holds a collection of items all in the same type in rows and columns like the ice. Each item in the array has its own specific place, and you can access them by their positions just like you can find a specific IQ. Array formula displays the return value of functions as an array, that is, a set of values instead of a single value into multiple rows and columns or both. Let us see how the example works. Table with the rate and quantity of different stock items. How do we arrive at the stock value of each item? We will multiply the rate column with the quantity column in the stock value column. As simple as that. And drag it down till the end. What if we have 10,000 such items or 1 lakh such items? Copying it down will not be easy as we think. What if we can achieve this with a single formula in a single cell? Let us consider the rates and quantities as two different arrays and try array formula. We will try with first 3 rows. Array formula takes arrays as parameter. So here we will pass the rate range multiplied with the quantity range. Make sure all the arrays given as parameters in the formula have the same length and dimension. That is the number of values in the array. In this case, we have taken 3 rates and 3 quantities. You can see that the formula multiplied the first value of the first array, here the first rate with the first quantity and gave the result to the first row, then the second rate with the second quantity, the result to the second row, and so on. This is how array formula works. You can see the formula is only in the first cell and the rest of the cells get the corresponding value. Now, if you want to increase the range, just change the range array in the formula and you are done. Array additions with arrays having 3 columns and 5 rows. This is the first array and this is the second array. Now, we have given the first array as the first range and second array as the second range. As you have noticed, the resultant array is also having 3 columns and 5 rows. We will see how the array formula works with the if function and VLOOKUP function in our coming sessions.
This is Bijoy signing off for now. We will catch up with some helpful, interesting topics in our next session soon. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please do it now and press on the bell icon to get notified on new releases. If you feel the content of the video is useful to you, please do not forget to like, comment and share it with your friends and family. Thank you for your time and have a big joy of learning.